Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to track someone location with Gmail. It's really simple and easy. So first of all, just open up your mobile settings and after that scroll down all the way to the bottom and you will find this option Google. Just click on it, then click on this arrow beside your email and click on this Google account, and in this drop down you can select any email of you can select any email you want to search the location of. I'm going for this Gmail here. After that, I have to scroll down, and here you have to scroll down and you will see this option here, people and sharing. Just simply tap on it, then scroll down again and you can see this option here, location sharing. Just simply click on it and then you have to make sure that this is turned on. So when you turn this on, you can easily find your lost device and then you are good to go. So if your mobile lost, you can log in your Gmail in any other mobile and you can track your location. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to track someone location with Gmail. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.